Hello, hello, let's play some Mission Control. First day of the week. We will claim our rewards. We will look at the weekly quests. I think I have 2 adventures waiting to be sent, and also to claim some adventures that returned. So, let's see. As you know, we earn MC points by mining in alien worlds, mining shards. And with those MC points, we can claim our weekly reward. And also we can send NFTs in adventures. So for now, let's just claim the last week rewards. As you can see, we have 120 TLM, and I will choose to claim them with MC points. 10,000 MC points is the cost. Of course, if I would have had a smaller amount of TLM here, I would use TLM claim. So just clicking on claim, and it's done. Claim successfully. Now we see that here we have updated the TLM amount that we just claimed. We go back to the home screen where we can see latest updates, and if we hit a refresh, we will see mine also. So Obo has claimed 120 TLM for week 29 with MC points. Okay, next step, we will look at the weekly quests. And as we can see, I haven't done any today. So we have the voting quests, which include voting on each planet, each of the 3 planets, and claiming vote power. This is 5 times per week. Voting is just once per week for each planet. Voting gives 15 reward points, or questing points as we name them. Claiming the power gives 5 reward points. Joining adventures 3 times per week will give for each of them 5 reward points. And if joining one adventure with a score higher than 350, that will give us 15 reward points. So for now, let's check the voting quests, and after that we will do the adventures. We just click on voting. We claim the voting power first. Okay, votes claimed successfully. We have 27,924 voting power. So this equals the amount of 2,792 shards that I mined in the last few days since I last claimed the voting power. Now that we claimed it, we will see that the quest for claiming has populated. Weekly quests. See here, we claimed the vote power once, and we received 5 questing points, or reward points. Let's call them reward points. Okay, we continue with the voting. Now we have to vote on each of the planets, of the 3 planets mentioned in the weekly quest. And I will start with Neri. And I will click on vote on Neri, and I will choose one of the candidates. Okay, let's choose Fury and give him 10 points of vote power. We click on vote, and the message, vote successfully registered. We will continue with Aiki. We choose one of the candidates. We'll give him 10 points and click on vote. Vote successfully registered. And now I will vote on Naron for myself and give the maximum amount of points. Here you can vote for 2 candidates at the same time, but the amount of votes will be split between them. So just so you know for the future. Okay, I will click on vote, and immediately we will go to the weekly quests to show you that the voting quests have been completed. Let's mine in the meantime, because I see the cooldown has passed. Okay, there was a little bug and the UI didn't show me what I mined, but anyway, I can check it in the tool to earn tool. Okay, let's see the weekly quests. Now we can see that the voting quests have been completed and I have received the amount of reward points for each of them. And we still need to complete the adventure quests and the claiming vote power, but I will have to spam this button claiming the vote power for 5 times this week. I prefer to do it like every day. Okay, let's go to the adventures. And we can see here the available adventures, and in this moment I have 3 of them. One of them expiring soon, so we have to do it. We have the running adventures. This one, it's gonna turn back in 3 hours and something. And the claimable ones. I will just claim for this week the adventures here first. And let's see, I received for this one 22 reward points that were in the title and some experience points that I didn't check. But we have this big one that just returned yesterday and I want to claim it. And for this one, I will receive a bigger amount of experience points. Yeah, as you can see, we have the levels here. I'm level 11 right now. So we will watch here the reward points, which will be 650, and we will see how much we get for the experience points. Claim. So we got 650 reward points and 120 experience points, because we had 445 here, if I remember correctly, or 545, sorry. Okay, we claimed the adventures, we received the reward points, we received the experience points. By the way, for the shortest adventures, you receive 10 experience points, and for the longest ones, you receive the maximum of 120 experience points. We will go to the available adventures, and we'll try to do this one first, that it's going to expire. And as you can see, to enter the adventure, we will have to pay 5,500 MC points, and we have 43,000 almost. And this adventure will return in 5 days, and the total rewards for all the players that are participating in this is 2,500 reward points. And as you can see, we have to complete some bonuses here, so we can make more the score higher, so we can get more reward points for this. So as a newcomer, you will get these options. The first 6 or 7, I don't remember exactly, but what I know in this case is that this element gem, it's opening at level 10, and this one, it's opening at level 5. Okay, let's try to send this adventure. We will need shine stardust and shine antimatter, which I don't own. I don't own any NFT, Alien Worlds NFT, that has this shine. So let's see the other options that we got, that we maybe can complete and get the bonus percentage for most of them. So we have Rarity Rare, Schema Crew, which gives a big bonus. We have also Race Nordic with 24%, Attack 13 with 23%, and Element Gem with 23%. So let's see what we have in our inventory for these bonuses to complete. We have one Attack 13, but we need Element Gem or Race Nordic. Oh, in this case, we might send some rare level, and we'll check for the other options. So we'll start with Element Gem. Let's see which one populates. This one, and we have a score of 123 because if you send the adventure with no NFTs, you have the basic score of 100 plus 23%, the score is 123. So let's see what else we can send. We can do Attack 13 with Crew Worlds and maybe the race Nordic. We'll see. Minions equals Crew Worlds, Attack 13 and race Nordic. 16, 10, 17, 16. Unfortunately, we don't have such a thing. In this case, we will send this neutral guy, which will give bonuses for Attack 13 and Crew Worlds. And for the next one, we can see here that we have also some options for tools. That will be type extractor and proof of work 1, and will give us a total of 35% bonus. And that will mean that if we have this tool to send it in adventure, we will have the biggest bonus from what is left, except I can find a rare minion with race Nordic, which I don't have in this moment. Yeah, we can look again, but I know that it's not there. So I have rares only these two, which none of them it's Nordic. So let's go to the tools and we'll see extractor with proof of work 1. And I can see that we have this gold banana miner. Total score for this adventure will be 283, and I will just click on start. And it's gonna be a short one, which will return in 5 days. Let's see this other adventure that is sponsored by Planet Veles. And let's see what we need to complete it. Movement cost 30, which gives us 20%, defense 8, attack 8. I think I know already which one is this. And as you can see, we have this stealth mercenary, which has attack 8, defense 8, and element air. We have it here. So we have a score of 215 right now. Let's see what else can we send. We have this other stealth mercenary which has attack 13 and movement cost 30. Okay, and now we are left with attack 16 and element fire. Let's see if we have something like that. We have this with attack 16, but the element is gem. Let's see what else can we find. Let's see what this one gives us. So total score of 468, and I'm quite good with it because sometimes it's quite impossible to hit all the bonuses in the adventure. So this adventure will cost me right now 25,000 MC points, which I have. It will return in 32 days, and it will give a total reward of 12,750 for all the players that are taking part into it. Right now, the current total score is 8,040, and I will add to that my score. Let's start it. Oh, I forgot to refresh. I think I know what is missing. Is this stealth mercenary, which I will have to buy. Yes, definitely, because we sent it in the other adventure. So let's see, in Atomic Hub, stealth mercenary 13,021. The price. Okay, we need to refresh. Go, go, go. So I will buy one of these. Because I really want that adventure to go smoothly. And another one of the other type, just to be sure that I have them both. Come on, don't hide. Yeah, this one with 8 and 8. Let's go back to our adventure, refresh again, so the site will take the new NFTs that were added. And let's see. Stealth Mercenary 8 and 8. Stealth Mercenary 13 with movement cost of 30. And some fire element. Fire. We have this Terminator and also the Nordic Warrior that we can send. Let's send the Nordic Warrior and start. This time it should let us. Adventure started successfully. Okay, let's refresh and see what we have left. Unfortunately, I cannot do right now the third adventure because, as you can see here, it costs 15,500 MC points, and I have only 12,493. So maybe I will send it later today, but not right now. Okay, let's go back to the home screen. And here we can see also the last adventure that I joined, which is community effort and with a score of 469. At the same time, we can see here on the right side that we have the latest sponsors, and yeah, this one was sponsored by Planet Veles, and we can just click like button to give some support for that planet that sponsored it. Okay, what else do we have here? We have the public tab, and in here we can see which are our latest new joiners. And also tutorials for each of our tabs, or at least the important ones. We have the membership tab, which shows the 3 types of membership that the users can have on our platform. Trillium Vault, where we can see all the TLM that we have stored, like in a deposit, which for now is just for depositing. That's all that it does, but it will have a future use case. TLM earned in missions, the Binance missions, not to confuse with our adventures. The TLM that we have in our Alien Worlds mining pool, not pool, but wallet. And one that we can claim whenever we want, but nowadays we have a countdown of 42 hours. 48 hours, sorry. And I can claim the next one in 2 hours. Land commission, if you are a landowner and you can get your commission from here, you can claim it. Also the daily Trillium allocation from lands. You can claim also the weekly rewards. And of course, the TLM that you have in your wallet at this specific, that I have in my wallet at this specific moment. Okay, now we have to mine again. The mine doesn't work properly because we just had an update on the UI, so I guess this is one of the bugs that needs a fix, but that's not a big problem. Another addition would be a new look for the tool tactician, and in here we can just test whatever tools that we want, yeah, like the mythical ones, and we can choose any land and see what results we get with this. So we have here values per mine, values per hour. The pools, mining pools for each rarity based on the last week results, and the basic values. Right now I'm mining with Draxos X. Three of them. And I'm doing it on Sandy Coastline. Okay, and in here I have the values. As we can see, this gives me the maximum amount of shards per hour that you can get. Number of mines 2.86, so almost 3 mines per hour, which is a good cooldown for me, cooldown of 21 minutes. In here we have another public tool that anybody can use, and it's Mine Maximizer. And in here, as you refresh, you will see that for your tool rarity pools, you will see the pools updated in here, and this one is set up to give you the best results on TLM mining. And I will not use it because I'm focused on shards mining. Yeah, and I want to stay on my planet right now, or in the land that I mine right now. So you will just click on set land, and after that you just mine when the cooldown goes off. That will switch the land to whichever is the best for mining Trillium in that moment when you click it. We have a tab with news. By the way, you should join our new event starting on 20th of December. Yeah, you can read it here on Medium. We will have an announcement also in our Discord server. So I guess that's kind of all. Oh, we have also this new tab that it's called This Week, which shows some statistics. Like the prize pool, this is the total prize pool, TLM prize pool for all the participants in mission control quests and adventures for this week. We have a total reward points that are right now in this moment. All the players have this total reward points. Your or mine, in this case, my reward points. And the last week total reward points. And as we can see, last week was quite active because we have seen some long adventures returning, and those ones are giving quite a big amount of reward points. So there were many people that were claiming them. And we have the rate. Right now we can see that the rate of TLM per 100 reward points is 50. Of course, it will go down as we go through the end of the week because more reward points will be claimed by users. So last week I've seen that we had around 12 TLM per 100 reward points because of this big amount of reward points claimed. And here you can see when the week will end. So if you want to know more, just come into our Discord and ask any question about mission control. We will be happy to answer all your questions and help you out. So Just come and join us. You have nothing to lose. It's fun. We give another use case for Alien Worlds NFTs. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.